Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell the solution of 6th problem from exercise 1.2 from real numbers from NCERT class 10th. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. So we know that a composite number is a number which has more than two factors except one and the number itself. So here we have to see first expression. Here this expression is a composite number or not. That means we have to see whether this expression has more than two factors. So first to take 13 as 13 is common in these two terms. So take out 13 here. So 13 into 7 into 11 plus 1. Here 13 into 1 is 13 into 1. So plus 1. That is equal to 13 into, here 7 11s are 77 plus 1, that is equal to 13 into 78. So again 13 is a prime factor, so 78 you can factorize again. So 2 39s are 78, 3 13s are 39. So you can write this expression as 13 into 2 into 3 into 13. So these are the prime factors for this expression. So we are getting more than two factors here. So 2 into 3 into 13 square, you can write like this also. So more than two factors we are getting for this expression. So we can say that this can be expressed as the product of primes. As per fundamental theorem of arithmetic, it is a composite number. Next one is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. So here in these two terms 5 is common, so take out 5 into 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 here plus 5 into 1, so 5 into 1. Then multiply these values. 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 1008, plus you can multiply like this. 4 3s are 12, again multiply with 6, that is 72. Again multiply with 2, then you will get 144. Again multiply with 7, then 1008. So 1008 plus 1, 1009. So 5 into 1009. So here more than two factors. This expression has more than two factors except one and the number. For example, if you multiply this 5 into 1009, that is 5045. So 5045 has factors of 1, 5 and 1009 and 5045. Here 1 and this number is the number or the factors, and 5 and 1009 are the factors. So there are four factors here. So more than two factors for this expression. So you can say that this is a composite number as it can be expressed as the product of primes. Now please do these practice questions.